I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the opening safe and measured. This first step saves hours later. Once measured, score the perimeter caulk and remove interior stops gently so you do not damage trim. Use a pry bar and reciprocating saw to cut nails and fasteners. Keep screws labeled. Make sure to work with a partner when lifting the sash. Windows are heavy and awkward. You want a clean reveal and square jambs. Check for rot and note any repairs needed before installing the new unit. Once the old unit is out, dry fit the new window to confirm it sits plumb, level, and square. You need about 1/4 to 3/8 inch clearance for shims. Apply sill flashing and drip cap first, then set the window into the opening on temporary shims. Adjust with shims at corners and screw points, check diagonals for squareness, and fasten per the manufacturer's pattern. Do not over-torque. Finish with low expansion foam in gaps, and seal the exterior with compatible caulk. You finish by installing interior trim, locks, and sash hardware, then operate the window through its full range to ensure smooth movement. Once done, inspect for drafts with a smoke, pencil, or thermal camera. Make sure exterior caulking is continuous and paint or wrap trim to protect sealant. If the window binds or is hard to lock, loosen fasteners slightly, adjust shims, and re-level the frame. Binding usually means the unit shifted during fastening. If leaks persist, remove trim and correct flashing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.